I hear that actresses are making more money than actors in Nollywood. Do you agree and why?
I don't know anything about that. I'm sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Timi Agbaje. I'm the man of your dreams, and I'm with the tallest man in Nollywood. Okay, I don't know if he's tallest, but I think he used to be the tallest. Alaya Shomolu, Sonny Dagboru, and so much more on YouTube, on everywhere. Odunlade Adekola, he needs no recognition. I have one question for you.
Thank you so much. The shortest lawyer in the industry.
Nice one. I didn't see that coming.
Lawyer. Thank you so much.
I didn't see that coming.
That can quote anything. They will soon arrest you.
Okay, no problem. I hear that actresses are making more money than actors in Nollywood. Do you agree and why?
I don't know anything about that. I'm sorry. Nothing. Me, man, can't buy. You should know me, man.
How long have you been in the industry?
I am upcoming.
How many years have you been in the industry?
I can't remember now. You know, we just finished program and I've been dancing since. So me Oranti.
Odunlade Adekola.
Money me Oranti ti me.
Odunlade Adekola.
Me Oranti.
Odunlade Adekola.
Sir.
Odunlade Adekola.
Sir.
You are a legend, a veteran, an icon in Nollywood.
You just said that.
You were in Yoruba industry, but you saw more money and you went to English industry. Yes or no?
I know nothing about that, I swear. You can't tell me about myself. Now,
Okay, what's your philosophy of life before you go?
Love.
Love.
Yeah.
How many women are you in love with?
I'm telling you,
Thank you so much.